Dad gave Froggy eggs to make the cake. Oats. Froggy put no on the
Breaks, that's right.
bakes. No eggs for his cake. Froggy puts the cake in the bake. I might
made
the best cake Mom will
best cake
ever he said. Mom will love it.
how
It tastes.
way to go, buddy.
My cake, said Froggy. It did not bake. I just made a mess. My cake is not the best cake ever.
Yeah, it wouldn't taste very good if it wasn't baked, eh?
No.
Well, it kind of tastes nummy, but not as a cake.
No, not as cake.
Wait, what's this one?
Froggy put in the flakes.
Good job.
Said Dad. Come. Taste your cake. It may be a mess, but it tastes good.
Good reading, Porter. Oopsie daisy.
Froggy gave the cake to Mom. I made a cake for you. Your big day, he said. It is the best cake, Froggy, said Mom. It is, he asked. Yep, Mom said. It is the best cake ever.
Because
you made it.
Good job, Porter. Way to go. Are you all done?
Mm-hmm.
Say bye-bye, camera.
Bye, camera.